text the impression that it's punched the outline of the text into the material or the background layer underneath. So if we right click on layer styles, or on the layer, and just navigate to bevel and emboss, and what we're going to do is swap our direction from up to down, and we're also going to hide the background layer here for a moment, and we're going to go into our blending options, advanced blending options. We're just going to slide that out to 0 for now. And what that actually means, if I switch off the background, is that the text has the layer style, but it doesn't actually have any body to it. It's just a layer style applied to the text outline, and that's going to be quite valuable as we move on. So if I switch on my background now, we still have the same effect, but the text itself doesn't have any color or body to it, and that's going to be fine for what we need at the moment. And the next thing we need to do is design a bit of a base plate for the text. And so if we grab our light grey layer here and Control D to duplicate it, and we'll just rename this base plate. And what we're going to do is we'll just hide our background layer for now, and we might just center up our text a little better, have it more in the center of the composition. And we'll grab our base plate, and we're going to put a rectangular mask around it. So if you double click on the rectangular mask, and we'll just bring up our mask tools there, and what we're going to do with the mask selected in the layers, we're going to hit Control T, which allows us to rescale, and by holding Control and Shift we'll scale from the center, and there we have it. And we'll just leave our background hidden there for a moment, and what we're going to do with our base plate is give it some layer style. The first layer style we'll use is a drop shadow, so let's give it a drop shadow there.